We'll guide you through how to join paths in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer and make sure you've got your paths ready to be joined. You need to select the paths you want to join, so hold down the Shift key and click on each path. Once you've selected them, look for the PF menu at the top of the screen, click on it, and from the drop-down, select Combine. This merges the paths into one object, but to truly join them, we need to ensure they're connected with the paths still selected. Go to the Node tool on the left toolbar, which looks like a small cursor over a square. Click on it, and you'll see all the nodes for your combined object. Now select the nodes at the ends of the paths you want to join. You can do this by dragging a selection box around them or clicking on them while holding Shift. After the nodes are selected, look at the top toolbar and you'll find an option that looks like two nodes merging into one, called Join Selected Node. Just click on it and watch as your paths join seamlessly. This method is particularly useful for creating continuous shapes or outlines that need to be a single path. Remember, if you need to undo any action, just go to Edit and click Undo. Don't forget to save your work often, and that's it. Now you know how to join paths in Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.